Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here from Amanda Jane Crafts, and in today's video I'm going to show you all sorts of projects that you can do once you've learnt to crochet. And I'm going to start with the first 10 projects. These are crochet ideas for beginners, and these are practical things that you can make once you've learnt to crochet. So they're easy to do patterns. Now the first is a washcloth. So if you've learnt the single crochet and the double crochet, that's US terms, you will be able to make yourself a lovely cotton washcloth. This one has 8 rows of single crochet, 24 stitches across, a row of double crochet, 4 rows of single, and just repeating that, finishing off with 8. So that's a lovely washcloth. You could use it as a dishcloth. You could give it away as a lovely gift for a friend. So number 1 is a washcloth, just using double crochet and single crochet. So that's the first idea. Give it away as a gift to a friend. Lovely. Now, the second one I have here is this sweet little coin purse. And I have a video, which I'll link to below, how to make this. And all this is, it's made of cotton again, is single crochet done in the round, a few rows, and then this little flap. And I've just put a button on the top. Gorgeous little wooden button I got from Amazon, and I just made this little loop here with some chains. And I have this, as I said before, I've got a video showing you exactly how to do this one. It's really not difficult and super useful. You can make them all sorts of sizes for putting earbuds in. So that's crochet project number 2. A lovely little coin purse. The next one is a slightly longer project, but will only take you, I don't know, an evening or a couple of evenings. And this is an infinity scarf. And this is done in the round and is done as a spiral. And I have a video for this one as well. So this is a beginner project. This one is done in half double crochet and is a lovely stitch, creates a really lovely warm toasty infinity scarf. So that's another one I would do. You'll be really good at half double crochet by the time you've finished this particular scarf. So that's that one. You could make them in some of that variegated yarn, which would look really super. So that's another beginner project. What have we got next? Slightly more complicated, but not too difficult. Now this is similar to the coin purse, except this is done in Aran weight cotton, and you start off with a chain of, I think it's about 12. Measure across, do your chain, measure it across the bottom of your mobile phone, and then start working round and round in, this is done in, again, half double crochet. So that's very easy to do. And then once you've got, because you go round and round, you've got no sides to sew up. We want to try and reduce the number of seams we have with our crochet. So that's a really useful gift. You could add a strap if you wanted to make a crossbody. I just wanted this to go in my handbag so that I could easily find my mobile phone. And I've decorated it with the next idea, which is a lovely flower. And I have the video for this as well. Also done in this Aran weight yarn, which works up very quickly. It gives a nice textured feel. So I love this. This combination would make a nice gift, or it's a lovely first project. Your half double crochet skills will be great. At the top of this is finished off with a row of slip stitches to keep it taut at the top. So that is that. Again, as a beginner project, that will only take you probably an evening. The next one is a headband. Obviously a smaller project than the infinity scarf I showed you before. Now I haven't got a pattern for this or a video for this, but I will be doing one. It's not really the weather. I mean, I'm recording this in July. It's not really the weather for wearing a woolly headband, but this is made flat. And this one is made in rows of single crochet, backwards and forwards, really straightforward, and then you just join it in a certain way. But if you look up crochet headband either on YouTube or on Google, you'll find this pattern for free, I have no doubt. So this is a really, really lovely thing to wear or to get ready for the autumn. So that's that one. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was number 6. Number 7 in our crochet ideas for beginners is this cute little makeup remover pad, really sweet. And this is made with puff stitches. I have a video on how to do the puff stitch. And in a similar vein, I've done some which are done with cluster stitches, which are slightly bigger. There we go. So there's the sort of a similar one to this, but done with cluster stitches. And I've done a little border of chains and slip stitches around the edge just to give it a little pretty effect. So I'll probably give that away to a friend. So that is great. So we've got eye makeup remover pads. You could do a washcloth and an eye makeup remover pad to match. That would be a lovely gift for somebody. So that's that one. The next one is the ever popular granny square. So that's a great project for beginners. I mean, crocheting for beginners, there's endless things that you can do, but granny squares are always popular. I've done a whole series on granny squares. So if you look for the playlist in the description below, there's a whole series including a sweet bag which I made out of 13 granny squares. So this one's rather nice in changing colours. But of course, if you're a beginner, you might want to do these in a single colour. Now this one has got a circular centre, but you might want to make a traditional one. So have a look out for the tutorials in the playlist. So that is that one. So that's number 8. So this will keep you busy for the next few weekends. Number 9 is a bit of fun and is a Amigurumi pencil. And this you can make into a keychain. So, you know, I would probably give that to a child that's got front door key. So maybe you could make one of those for your child, your grandchild, or your friends' children, your aunts and your nephews and nieces. So that's quite fun. Again, made with single crochet. The pattern for this is, or how to do this is actually on the video. You'll see that in the link below in the description. You need quite a few colours for that. So think about whether you're going to use up these colours in other projects. So that's that one. Now, we also have a scarf. And I've shown this under the stitches. And this is probably a shawl rather than a scarf. It's in between. So beginner project, a shawl or a scarf. So let's call it a shawl because it's quite wide. Okay, so this one is done in a stitch called Windows and Doors, which I've explained in a video. So you can have a look at that video. And I've used this wonderful variegated yarn. It's an Aran worsted weight yarn and it worked up very, very quickly. And it's an introduction really to a bit more of a lacy pattern, which any beginner can achieve. So there you have it. We have 10 crochet ideas for beginners. I hope you managed to do a few of them. Have a look out for some of our other videos in the descriptions below, and let me know in the comments which is going to be your beginner crochet project. So take care. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love you to subscribe, press the bell and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.